new day and a new beginning. Good morning, everyone. Hello, everyone. Good morning, and I hope everyone has had a good health and a happy family today. And before we continue our cooking, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so that you will notified every time I will post a new video. So now we will cook rice tacos. So shout out to everyone who likes tacos. So there you go. But I will use rice and meat because I'm Filipino. I like rice every day. Come with me in the kitchen so I will show you the ingredients of my rice tacos. So the ingredients of our rice tacos is rice, beef, ground beef, red bell pepper, tomatoes, onions. As requested by my husband, he wants me to put beans, taco seasoning mix, and my based plant cheese and taco shells. We can cook our meat. Now let's put a spray oil on our wok frying pan. We will heat that a little bit, then we will add our meat, ground meat. We will put a little bit onions. We will cook this little bit onions first before we add our ground beef. Now it's time to add our ground beef. Let's mix it together. Cook. It's time for us to put our taco seasoning mix. We will put it slowly because I don't want too hard, lots of season. It will bother your stomach. So yeah, so it will be good if we will do slow, little by little at the time, so it's not too hard for your stomach. More. Alright, I think that's it. Because my stomach cannot handle too much season. My husband cannot too, so it's really hard. So yeah, that's it. We will take a spoon, see how it tastes. So mix it more. Then we will take a spoon and take a little, because I know someone commented in my comment section box below before in my video that you should use a different spoon. So here you go, this is for you, different spoon. That's good. Now let's turn off the stove. Let's move this way. Let's move this side. And let's add our beans, because my husband requested me to put beans, because he said it's not gonna be a taco if there's no beans. So there you go. It's called tacos, but it's a rice, but he will like tacos with beans, so it's okay. Since I have a lot of beans, I can put beans in here. So now the next one that we will put is our rice. Since our recipe today is rice tacos, of course we have a rice. There you go. Now let's make our rice. We will put everything so it won't go to waste. Alright. There you go. Oops, it's jumping. Now, I think everything is mixed. Now it's time to make a tacos. Let's move here in the other side. Now in this side, we will put our big pot. And then we'll open our taco shells. Now it's time for us to make a tacos. Here are all our ingredients to put on the toppings. Here, tacos. We have lettuce, onions, tomatoes, red bell pepper, and based plant almond mozzarella style cheese. So there you go. Let's take one right there. And of course, I already washed my hands. Okay. So there you go. Let's fill it inside. There you go, our tacos are done and it's ready to eat. Here comes our tacos. Thank you all guys for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!